Morning, ma'am.
Good morning again. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, now guys, let me be very frank. Now the syllabus of RNS is very vast. Okay, and this is the fourth lecture. I know you all are tired and all, but I'm starting with a new answer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In the last lecture, students, I think we have completed the steps of selection process. It was a very lengthy answer, if you remember.
Yes, ma'am.
Students, I don't know why I'm not able to find the recording of that lecture selection process. But in case if you have any doubts, get back to me. I have already uploaded the PDF in the Google Classroom. Okay. The answer is very simple to understand, but it is just lengthy. Moving ahead with a new concept today. That
Ma'am,
is
by clicking on that link, it's showing us you have already responded.
this is because I said you now you all have attended one session. You remember last academic year
Yes,
we had
ma'am.
organized this industrial training. You know? So you know one thing, you use another mail ID. Use a new mail ID if it is showing like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. If you do not have another mail ID, I think you can create one alternate mail ID and then you can register. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. All right. And if you're finding any difficulty, please get back to Aditya. He will help you. He is already registered. Okay. And if you have any doubts, you can ask him. He will help you. Okay, I'm sharing the screen and we are starting with a new concept, that is concept of interview. And then there are types of interview. There are different types of interview. We will see all of them one by one. Okay, the screen is loading. It is taking a bit long. I hope it is visible now.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. It's
ma'am.
visible.
Okay, all right. Okay. So we will start with a new answer, that is concept of interview. Okay, who is going to read that? Sarita, can you read? Because today Mehak is
Yes,
not there in the
ma'am.
session. Is she fine? Now what happened to her?
I don't
Otherwise she
know.
never, okay, otherwise she never remains absent like that. Okay, all right, Sarita, you can start with the concept of interview.
Concept of interview. Interview refers to the face-to-face meeting for the purpose of obtaining a statement or for assessing the quality of candidate. It it's an oral examination through a two-way communication process where the interviewer obtains the required information about the company and the job from the interview.
Okay, the one who is going to conduct the interview is called as interviewer. Okay, and the candidate who is appearing for the interview is called as interviewee. Okay, just remember these two terms, interviewer and interviewee. Okay, so the very first statement itself, in the answer is very simple to understand. It is a face-to-face meeting, right? So that you can evaluate the quality of the candidate, a kind of oral examination, okay, and a two-way communication process. Okay, so interviewer is going to ask questions to the interviewee, and interviewee is going to respond to those questions. Okay, and through this interview, the interviewer will understand the quality of the interviewee. Okay, and also what does the interviewee know about the company and know about the job. Okay, students, this brings me to one conclusion to share with you. See, wherever you are going for an interview, no, students, it's very important you do a little bit research about that company. Okay, and the kind of job opening they are having. Okay, see, it's very important because the interviewer is going to ask you, okay, what do you know about this company? You should always try to refer the website of the company, understand their mission, know what kind of products or services they are dealing into. Okay, before you appear for the interview, before you even go for the interview, check the website of the company and obtain some information from there. Okay, So this is a concept of interview. It's a face-to-face meeting and oral examination. Okay. And you are checking the qualities of the candidate. I hope there is no difficulty in understanding this.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All right. All right. So we move ahead to types of interview. There are so many types of interview. You can see almost 10 has been listed here. We will understand one by one. Very first is structured interview. Okay. All right, Sarita.
Structured interview. Structured interview. Details of the interview are predetermined. The questions to be asked, the order of the question to be asked, the time given to each candidate, the information to be collected from each candidate, etc. It's all decided well in advance. Structured interview is also called standardized, patternized, directed, or guided interview. Structurized interview are pre-planned. They are accurate, precise, and uniform. They ensure maximum consistency and minimum basis.
Bias. Okay. All right. Now listen to this very carefully. Just for an example, I am an interviewer. Okay. And you all have come to my company, to appear for an interview. Okay. So Farhan is coming, Aditya is coming, Sarita is coming, Sejal is coming. Okay. You all are candidates and you all are interviewee. Okay. So if I am asking same questions to all of you, okay, my pattern, the structure of the interview is the questions that are decided well in advance, okay, and it is uniform to all of you. Okay, that means this type of interview is a structured interview. The interviewer, that means me, I'm already preparing the list of questions what I have to ask. Okay, I might be designing the questions in such a manner that first I am collecting the personal information, then your qualification details, then your your professional experience, okay, then your skills quality. So this is how I have structured and I have designed the question in this pattern, okay. And this type of interview is conducted uniformly to all the candidates. Okay, what is happening is my personal biasness will not be there. मैं फरहान को देख के कुछ नया क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ रही हूँ, या मैं सरिता को देख के कुछ नया क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ रही हूँ. Okay, I am trying to keep the same questions. Okay, these questions are pre-planned. पहले से डिसाइडेड है वेल इन एडवांस कि मुझे क्या क्वेश्चंस पूछना है. Okay, these type of interviews are very accurate, precise, and uniform. Okay, because I am trying to collect maximum information in the same areas, okay, which is uniform for all. Okay, so it ensures consistency. Okay, and मेरा कोई personal biased approach नहीं होगा जिसके वजह से selection affect नहीं होने वाला है. Remember one thing, students, the interviewer has to be very unbiased. Okay, if I am sitting in the chair, okay, and if I'm selecting a person for a job or if I'm rejecting a person for a job, I need to know one thing, that I am here to do my duty well. Okay, so when I am asking questions to the interviewee, मुझे ना किसी के लिए soft corner, किसी के लिए gender biasness, किसी के लिए religion biasness नहीं होना चाहिए. I should never consider, oh, this person is of my religion, मुझे इसको थोड़ा soft questions पूछना है, थोड़ा soft approach रखना है. No, this is not the way. When you are a HR, you are there to do your duty well. You cannot have this type of biased approach with your candidates. Okay, so I think structured interview is very simple to understand. Questions are pre-decided and it is uniform for every candidate. Okay, and the pattern is decided well in advance, and you are asking the questions in that pattern. So that is called as structured interview. Any difficulty over there?
No,
No,
ma'am.
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 Okay. Okay, so we move ahead to the next one, that is unstructured interview. Okay, Sarita.
Unstructured interview. This interview is not planned in detail, hence it's also called as non-directed interview. The question is to be asked, the information to be sought from the candidates. is not decided in advance. This interview are non-planned and therefore more flexible. Candidates are more relaxed during such interviews. They're encouraged to express themselves about different subjects based on their expectations, motivations, background, interests, etc. The interviewer can make a better judgment of the candidate's personality, potential, strength, and weakness. However, if the interviewer is not efficient, then the discussion will lose direction and the interview will be a waste of time and effort. Thus, the success of such type of interview depends upon the skills of the interviewer.
I think very important that you need to understand one thing. Your interviewer should be well experienced, okay, and at the same time is aware of how to conduct the unstructured interview. Okay, what is unstructured interview? Here, the questions are not planned in detail. It is not decided in advance. It's random questions that are being discussed during the interview. Okay, and your students, one thing very important, this is a flexible kind of interview. Over here, I am asking the candidate questions based on his backgrounds, interest, okay, expectations, what motivates the interviewee. I'm asking this type of questions, okay, which will differ from interviewee to interviewee. Okay, so मैं फरहान को कुछ अलग set of questions पूछूंगी, सरिता को कुछ different set of questions पूछूंगी, आदित्य को कुछ different set of questions पूछने वाली हूँ. Okay, over here I'm going to judge the potentiality of the candidate. Okay, the best advantage of this type of interview is, like, you do not have to follow a structured pattern and you do not have to follow a particular format. Okay, here you can have a composed interview wherein you can ask any random questions to the interviewee and you can collect the information. But the last statement written over here, please pay attention to it, that success of this kind of interview completely depends on the skills of the interviewer. अगर इंटरव्यूअर को मालूम ही नहीं है कि कैसे ये इंटरव्यू कंडक्ट करना है, इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ कंप्लीट वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम एंड एफर्ट, बिकॉज फिर डायरेक्शनलेस क्वेश्चंस होगा. आप शायद ऐसे डिस्कशंस में एनग्रोस हो जाओगे which is not required. Okay, so I think the interviewer has to be very efficient over here to conduct the unstructured interview. The first two type of interview is very simple. Structured may questions decided well in advance and you have to ask in that pattern only. And in unstructured interview, you can ask random questions, okay? And based on the candidate's potentiality, you are going to ask the questions. All right. So that is unstructured. Any difficulty over your students?
No, ma'am.
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
sure, easy to understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
all
ma'am.
right. So, okay, beta. Then we go. Only two students are replying. Huh? What about others? Ritesh, Zeba, I never hear from you guys. Huh? कभी बोलते नहीं हो yes, no, ऐसा कुछ भी. कैसे समझेगा कि आपको आंसर आया है कि नहीं? I hope there is no difficulty, guys, and I'm not going very fast.
Yes, ma'am, no difficulty.
Okay, beta. All right. Okay, then I proceed to the third type of interview, which is group interview. All right, Sarita. Yeah.
Group interview. In this kind of interview, small groups of candidates are interviewed together, which saves the time of the interviewer. A group interview is similar to a group discussion. A topic is given to the group and they are asked to discuss it. The interviewer carefully watches the candidates and tries to find out which candidate influence other, who clarifies issue, who summarize the discussion, who speaks effectively in order to judge the behavior of each candidate in a group situation.
I think most of the companies, to save their time, is also conducting group interviews. Okay, now what is group interview? Over here, instead of asking interviewing only one single candidate, you are engaging different candidates into a group discussion. Okay, and this small group of candidates are interviewed together. एक साथ उनका interview conduct होता है. I think it starts with introduction of the candidates. Okay, once they introduce themselves, okay, after which they are asked to have a discussion on a particular topic. Okay, and then the interviewer is only observing. Okay, he's carefully watching that which candidate is having more potential, which candidate is having good knowledge. Okay, who is the one amongst them who is able to influence others? Okay, who is the one who is dominating the discussion? Who is the one initiating the discussion? Who is the one summarizing the discussion? Okay, कौन है जो बहुत effectively बात कर रहा है? Okay, so in this manner, the interviewer tries to understand that how the candidate is going to behave in a group situation. Remember one thing, students, once you join the company, you are going to work with group of people. Okay, आप अकेले कितना अच्छा काम करते हो, how efficient and effective you are on individual basis is not important for the company. Okay, how you are able to work with group, okay, that is more important. Okay, see, when you join the organization, you are going to work in a team. Okay, and teamwork is extremely important. You alone, how smart an individual performance आपका कितना अच्छा है, that doesn't matter. Okay, the company is not going to entertain that. The company is going to observe, how do you behave in a particular group situation. Okay, that is why, students, we keep telling you that you should start smartly, working in group, and you should work in team. Okay, so that I think your PowerPoint presentations that happened was in a group presentation that is definitely going to help you in future. Okay, you need to know that how smart you are individually is okay, that is fine, but how you are able to work with group of people, that matters the most. Okay, so ये इंटरव्यू में सबसे ज्यादा फोकस किस चीज पे किया जाता है, that how do you behave in a group situation. I I hope it is simple to understand, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then we move ahead to the next one, which is individual interview. All right.
Individual interview. This is one-to-one interview involving verbal and visual interaction between the interviewer and the candidate for a particular purpose. The purpose of this interview is to match the candidate with the job. It is a two-way communication process.
I think very simple in individual interview. I'm just meeting one candidate at one point of time. Okay, so it is verbal and visual interaction between the interviewer and the interviewee. Okay, the purpose of this interview is to find out whether the candidate is suitable for the given job vacancy or not. Okay, again, it is a two-way communication process. Okay, the interviewer is going to ask some questions, and the interviewee is expected to respond to those questions. So that is individual interview. I think there should be no difficulty over here. If there is anything that you did not understand, please tell me, or else we proceed. So can we go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Moving on to the panel interview. All right, Sarita.
Panel interview. Panel means a selection committee or interview committee is appointed for interviewing the candidates. The panel may include 3 or 5 members who question to the candidate about different aspects. The final decision is taken by all members collectively by rating the candidate. Panel interview is always better than one-to-one interview, as collective judgment is used for selecting the suitable candidates.
I think the most correct way of conducting the interview is a panel interview. तो interviewer तीन होने चाहिए. Okay, दो, तीन, चार जो भी. When panel is there, I think there can be a collective judgment. Okay, so it's not just, and my point of view is considered for selecting or rejecting the candidate. There are 3 to 5 members, other members who are also going to share their opinion. Okay, so this helps to make the most effective selection. I think for key positions, yani ki important positions in the organization, company always prefers to keep a panel interview. Okay, so it's not going to be like alone Rishita interviewing Farhan, or Rishita interviewing Aditya. It is going to be like Rishita and Navina ma'am and Vaidehi ma'am collectively conducting the interview, and then we are selecting the candidate. इससे क्या होगा, मेरा point of view भी आएगा, नवीना मैम का point of view भी आएगा, वैदेही मैम का point of view भी आएगा. Correct? So over here, there is a collective judgment which reduces the chances of, making errors in conducting or in conducting the interview or selecting the right candidate. Okay. तो जो mistakes हो सकता है ना selection में वो आप avoid कर सकते हो when you are conducting panel interview. I hope there is no difficulty till here. Very simple, na?
No, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. अब तक आपने क्या क्या सीखा? Structured,
Structure,
unstructured.
structure,
Very good. Then group interview, individual interview,
individual panel interview.
and panel interview. Moving ahead with the formal interview. Okay. All right, Sarita.
Formal interview. It is held in a formal atmosphere. The interviewer asks pre-planned questions. It is also called planned interview.
Formal interview is in a very formal atmosphere. There is no space for any hilarious discussion or any, यहाँ पे आप अपना sense of humor नहीं दिखा सकते हो. In a very, at a very formal atmosphere, you are asking questions to the candidate. I think it is a more serious kind of an interview that is happening. Okay. Again, over here, the interviewer is asking pre-planned questions. Okay, and based on this pre-planned questions, the candidate is evaluated. Okay, so that is formal interview conducted in the most formal atmosphere. Going ahead is the opposite of formal interview, which is informal interview. All right.
Informal interview. Informal interview is an oral interview which can be arranged at any place. Different questions are asked to collect the required information from the candidate. Specified rigged procedure is not followed, as the name suggests. It is friendly interview.
The informal interview is a little bit friendly interview. Over here, you're not keeping very much, formal atmosphere. You're keeping the environment very composed and cool. Okay. And you are trying to ask, different types of questions to the candidate to collect the information. There is no rigid procedure being followed. Guys, just 1 minute. So in this informal interview, you are not asking any pre-planned kind of questions. Okay, here you are asking different questions, and I think as the name suggests, informal. It is a very friendly interview. It is in the atmosphere which is not very formal in nature. Okay, I think the interviewer can also crack some jokes to make the situation a little cool. Okay, or make the interviewee a little more comfortable. Okay, so informal interviews, I think, yes, that is again one of the type of interview. Any difficulty your students know, na?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All right, I hope I'm not going very fast because answer complete होने आया है and I'm very surprised कि पूरा answer finish होने आया है एक ही lecture में. Moving ahead with the stress interview, all right.
Stress interview. The purpose of this interview is to find out how the candidate behavior in a stressful situation. The candidate who keeps cool in a stressful situation is selected for the stressful job. Here, the interviewer tries to create a stressful situation during the interview. This is done purposely by asking the candidate rapid question, criticizing his answers, repeating him
Okay,
repeatedly.
interrupting repeatedly, etc. Okay, now this is very, very, very interesting. I used to do this. I used to conduct stress interview. Okay, now students, there are certain job profiles where there will be a constant stress, okay, to the employee. So if you are at the job place, okay, for example, you are front office executive or frontline employee in a bank, you are going to meet so many customers, right? And so many customers are going to ask you so many doubts also, sometimes silly doubts also they are going to come and ask. You might come across customers who are very angry and who are very frustrated kind of people. तो आप मतलब ज्यादा करके stress को expose रहने वाले हो, है ना? So how are you going to keep yourself cool in that situation is something that I am looking out for. मैं वो judge कर रही हूँ कि अगर आप तो ऐसे कस्टमर्स मिल जाते हैं जो आपको बहुत व्हाट इफ यू आर इन अ कस्टमर केयर टीम, you might come across a customer who is criticizing, who is complaining. तो आप ऐसे कस्टमर्स को कैसे हैंडल करोगे, है ना? So in this type of interview, what I do is, okay, I create a very stressful situation in the cabin, okay, and I'm asking rapid questions to the candidate. Rapid means एक question finish नहीं हुआ कि दूसरा question, फिर उसके बाद तीसरा question. Very rapid, okay. I'm not giving any time to the candidate to prepare for the answer, okay, since the questions are very random. I'm criticizing certain answers, okay. अगर कुछ आंसर दे रहा है कैंडिडेट तो उसको क्रिटिसाइज करके उसको फ्रस्ट्रेट करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, बार बार उसके बातों में इंटरप्ट कर रही हूँ. इंटरप्ट मतलब वो कुछ एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है और मैं बीच में आके उसको टोक रही हूँ, ओके. इंटरप्ट कर रही हूँ रिपीटेडली. स्टूडेंट्स ऐसा मैं क्यों कर रही हूँ? व्हाई एम आई डूइंग दिस? आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू क्रिएट अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर ऑन द कैंडिडेट, ओके. आई एम ट्राइंग टू कंफ्यूज द कैंडिडेट, okay. I am trying to develop anger and frustration in the candidate, okay. I am doing this deliberately, okay. मैं जानबूझ के ये कर रही हूँ. Why? Because I want to see how the candidate is going to react to this situation, okay. वो स्ट्रेस को कैसे हैंडल कर पा रहे हैं, बिकॉज जॉब पे तो वो स्ट्रेस में ही रहने वाले हैं, okay. वो अपने आप को कितना कूल रख सकते हैं, कितना पेशेंस उनके अंदर है. आई एम गोइंग टू जज ऑल ऑफ दैट. Okay. So there are certain profiles where the employee is going to continuously will be exposed to stress, and therefore I'm going to conduct something called as stress interview. Simple to understand, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we are going to, I think, complete the answer. I'm so happy. Okay, point number 9 is depth interview. All right.
Depth interview. This is a semi-structured interview. The candidate has to give detailed information about his background, special interest areas. He also has to give detailed information about his subject. Depth interview tries to find out if the candidate is an expert in his subject or not. The interviewer must have a good understanding of human behavior.
I think very interesting. Step interview is a detailed interview. Semi-structured, some questions are pre-planned and some questions are asked randomly. Okay. And information is collected on the basis of background, special interest, special areas. Okay. And then over your students, you are going to, the expert or the interviewer is going to find out the, in-depth knowledge of the candidate relating to the job vacancy or to the job which is going to perform at the workplace. For example, if you are applying for the post of account executive, so I'm going to ask you many questions in the related to accounts. Okay, I'll ask you, tell me the types of accounts. I'm going to ask you, how do you deal with this kind of entry? What do you mean by ledger? Journal kya hota hai? So I'm going to ask you many questions in that particular area, okay, just to check the in-depth knowledge, okay, कि आपको वो आता भी है या नहीं. Okay, अगर कोई IT एग्जीक्यूटिव के लिए आ रहा है तो मैं उसको भी ऐसे क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगी. हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू एनकाउंटर दिस प्रॉब्लम if this is going to come? आप कैसे इसको ट्रबल शूट करोगे, है ना? हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू हैंडल दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेरीज. ओके, सो डेप्थ इंटरव्यू यानी कि वो इंटरव्यू जहाँ पे जॉब रिलेटेड इन डेप्थ क्वेश्चंस पूछा जाता है. Okay, detailed questions. Moving on to the last one and the most interesting one is exit interview.
Exit
sir.
interview. This interview is conducted by the HRD manager when the employee leaves the organization. Exit interview is taken to find out why the employee is leaving the company. Sometimes the employee may be asked to withdraw his resignation by providing some incentives. Exit interviews are taken to create a good image of the company in the mind of the employee who are leaving the company. They help the company to make sound HRD policies to create a favorable work environment, to develop employee loyal and reduce labor turnover.
Okay, let us first understand what do you mean by exit interview. Students, those employees who are leaving my organization, okay, there can be several reasons why the employee is leaving the company. Okay, क्या भी रीजन हो सकता है. अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी बाहर मिला है, या फिर एम्प्लॉय यहाँ पे हैप्पी नहीं है. ओके, उसे मैनेजर से कोई प्रॉब्लम था, उसे कंपनी के पॉलिसीज अच्छी नहीं लगती है. ओके, whatever the reason is, it is very important for me to find out why my people are leaving my company. Okay, why my employee is leaving this organization. Okay, students, there are benefits of exit interview. Firstly, You will get the details about, why the employee was unhappy, right? Secondly, you will also understand that, uh, uh, what is bothering my employee. Okay. And third, and the most important thing, you conduct the exit interview to create a positive impression in the mind of that employee who is leaving the company. उसको ऐसा लगेगा ना कि अच्छा मैं यहाँ पे सिलेक्शन के टाइम पे मेरा इंटरव्यू हुआ, and now when I'm leaving the company, that time also the HR is meeting me, right? So it will create a positive image in the mind of the interviews. Okay, he will in the mind of the employee. Okay, that okay, my company is concerned. All right, so it leaves it creates a good image of the company in the minds of those employees. Okay, so you conduct this exit interview to figure out what are the issues, and if those issues are could be resolved. For example, सेजल मेरे पास आके बोलती है कि I don't want to work with this company because my manager, okay, and I'm not able to handle this behavior. Now this is something which is workable. ये कुछ ऐसा है जिस पे काम किया जा सकता है. Okay, I'll tell Sejal, okay, Sejal, I'll talk to your manager, and then if you still feel that you're not able to work, then you can leave the company. So Sejal, if she is a very talented employee, why should I let her leave the company? I should work on the issues ना that have been raised by Sejal. अच्छा, अगर अभी सेजल ऐसा बोलती है कि नहीं मुझे टाइमिंग्स नहीं जम रहा है क्योंकि मेरा घर बहुत दूर है and job timings are 10 a.m. मुझे बहुत टाइम लगेगा मैम ऑफिस पहुंचने के लिए, and I've relocated, so it's not feasible for me to continue. Now this is something I cannot help you. Okay, ये ऐसा कुछ इशू है जिसको रिजॉल्व नहीं किया जा सकता है. Then I will allow Sejal to leave the organization and complete the HR formalities, right? Exit formalities. But then if there is something which can be resolved, okay, I should try to resolve and retain my people. Okay, this will also help to reduce the labor turnover. Labor turnover का मतलब क्या होता है? Number of employees who are leaving my organization. It is calculated, and it is also called as attrition rate. Okay, तो लेबर टर्नओवर को अगर आपको कंट्रोल करना है तो आपको इफेक्टिव एग्जिट इंटरव्यू कंडक्ट करना होगा. अगर 4 एम्प्लॉइज मुझे सेम चीज बोल रहे हैं कि वी वांट टू क्विट वर्किंग फ्रॉम दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बिकॉज वी कैन नॉट हैंडल द मैनेजर्स वे ऑफ बिहेवियर या उसका कंडक्ट, so then I think it is something which is very serious. I have to call the manager and talk to him. See, your behavior, your rudeness, your talking style is making my employees leave the company, right? So these are something which can be resolved. So exit interview is conducted for those employees who are leaving the company and to find out the reasons why they are leaving the company. I hope there is no difficulty in the answer, students. Very simple to understand.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think then I'll end the session here, and we meet soon in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Take
Thank you
care
so
of
much.
yourself. Have a nice day.
Take care, ma'am.
Welcome.
thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, take
Thank you,
care.
ma'am.
Welcome. Take care.
You.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye beta. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye beta.